Hi friends, recently my son got married and he has been buying various gadgets and appliances for his household. So in this video I'm going to show one of the product, the unboxing of the Bosch Mixer Grinder, and I'm also going to share the first impression of the product. Come on, let's see. This is the Bosch Mixer Grinder, model number MGM4334BIN. So just now you saw the unboxing of the TrueMix Bold mixer grinder. So now I'll like to go over to the first impression of this product. So these are the parts, and firstly let me come to the main body. It is black in color, and it's got a golden color knob, that is speed knob, 3 speeds with a pulse mode, and the black and golden color makes it look very elegant. This is made of ABS plastic. It's not very heavy, lightweight, and if you see I've already opened it. If you see the length of the cord, it is quite adequate. I measured it. It's actually 1.25 meter. Coming over to the back side, the bottom. So you've got rubber feet, because of which it stays firmly on any surface. I'll show that. So when you fix it like this, it won't move. So when you're grinding, it stays firmly on any surface, whether it's a table or a platform, because of these rubber feet. Then, as always, in other mixer grinders, you have this overload switch. Additionally, they have given these grooves. This is a facility for wire winding. So you can wind the unwanted wires, because it's quite lengthy. So how much ever you want, you can keep it out. Others you can wind it, and the extra can come out like this. So it's neatly packed underneath. So that's it about the main body. Now over to the 3 jars. All the 3 jars are made of stainless steel, and all the base is made of ABS plastic. Now first the small jar, it is very cute, and it is called the chutney jar, and the blade is fixed. There is a black lid which can be buckled with the size of this jar is 0.4 liters, and this is the medium jar. So it is medium, it looks fairly big. Again there is a black lid with the buckle, and this blade is removable, and you can replace it with another blade which is called the pounding blade. The size of this is 1 liter. So this is for dry grinding, and the big jar, the size is 1.5 liters. Here the lid is transparent with an opening, and again here the blade is removable. And this big jar is for mainly for wet grinding. So there is one spatula. So this looks very delicate, looks like it could break. So this is not, I'm not happy with this. So this is for mixing, and as well the bottom portion is used as a spanner to remove and fix the blades. There's a manual with all the important instructions given. The mixer comes with a 2-year warranty, and also it is made in India, and the motor capacity is 600 watts. So now that I have shown you the unboxing and also shared my first thoughts on this product, this comprises the first part of the 2-part video. The second part will be me showing grinding of various things on this mixer grinder. At the same time, I'll also share my thoughts on how it is working. So await the second video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, it's bye bye from Bhuwana. Thank you.